Yeah, good morning, guys. Welcome back for Mars Cloud SEM. So today our topic is we need to discuss about local catalog creation in the procurement module of the Oracle Cloud. Okay, so we have catalogs. If you ask me, the catalogs, various catalogs, the Oracle Cloud will support. One is local catalog, information catalog, and punch out catalog. Information catalog, from that the system should not allow to create any kind of documents, means the requisitions or POs. But using the local catalog and punch out catalog, yes, system will allow to create the documents. Okay, so what could be the major difference between local catalog and punch out catalog is local catalog, in this particular local catalog, the system we have to configure the catalog within the Oracle Cloud system, and also total whatever configurations which are required for this local catalog, you must configure in the cloud system. Even for punch out also same, but the key difference where you can find out the local catalog and punch out catalog is in the punch out catalog. Whenever the user wanted to create the requisitions, they are connecting to supplier websites. From there, they're going to select which item they want, and moment once you submit the form in the web page, automatically system will transform the data, complete data from web page to cloud page. That is a punch out. But local catalog, everything we are creating the requisitions within the cloud system. Local and punch out. Punch out is from web page of the suppliers. Local means within the local system. Okay, so today, we are going to concentrate on the local catalog creations. What are the prerequisites? So I just, high level, I given the steps here. So all needed configurations for purchasing module. So whatever it is required to create the PR, everything which has to be present in the cloud system. And job role is catalog administrator, data access is for which BU you are trying to create the local catalog, you have to have the data access. And also mandatory, guys, procurement agent for the BU. So in the procurement agent, we have one checkbox for catalog that has to be checked, otherwise your catalog won't work. Okay, so with this introduction, so we will connect to the system and we'll see how we are going to create the local catalog and how are we going to create the equation based on the local catalog. Okay, so let me go to here. Fine. So now I'll show that one. So whatever bare minimum what you call the prerequisites for that is go to security console. The job role I wanted to show it, users, uh, it is test 1 2 3. Click on this, and if you see here, category manager, also it is not mandatory actually. So we have one thing, procurement catalog administrator. So these are rule. Okay, and then as we know, with the single role we cannot do anything. We have to give the data access. Data access means, so system will trigger, or system will tell to the user, so you have the option to create your requisitions or whatever within that particular BU or inventory, whatever. Okay, so that is a manage data access. And also I'll show manage procurement agent. I don't know why this one is always coming in the screens. See, automatically popping up. Okay, so manage procurement agent. So here, this is my procurement agent, and it is very simple. Just click on plus and then go and define the procurement agent. So once you edit that, see here, manage uh, agreements, and here catalog content. Yes, this is the one. So this has to be allowed. Okay, so if it is not that, then even you have all the access, system won't allow to make any local catalogs. So with this, so we'll go to system, we'll go to dashboard of procurement agent, sorry, procurement. And here you can find, based on the role, you can find the icon of catalogs. Click on that. So manage catalog is the screen. Now here we have punch out and information. If you want to create that, you can click on the drop down, or otherwise click on create local catalog. Okay, so I'm just giving some random name, uh, electronic something. Category catalog. Okay, so here we have a lot of options, guys. Agreements, categories. So agreements, you want to include all items from all agreements, specific items. There are a lot of options, and even you can check the include all master items. Okay, so whichever option you want, you can select. And categories also same. Include items from all categories, items from specific categories, or exclude items from specific categories. So I'm just, curiosity wise, I'm just selecting this option, include items from specific categories. So here I'm taking only one category, HWPC. That's all here. Just create a catalog, save and close. And catalog, see, we internally we have seen, right? So catalogs will drive from the agreements. Remember, guys, drive from the agreements. Okay, so it is required to create the agreement. Now I made this electronic catalog. Now, what is the next step? So we need to map with the content zone. Content zone, what in my content zone is, the content zone is nothing but this catalog you want to display in the SSP page in which area. SSP means whatever purchase requisition page we have, right? That technical term is self-service procurement. So where you want to display that your catalog. So that is nothing but again some more security level. Okay. Now if I open this, already I created one content zone. Here I can add my catalog, and this one also kind of security, and you can pull some shopping list, smart form. There are other things, so we'll target those things in the further classes. So now what I did, catalog, just added my local catalog, and here see the security secured by only the specific BU, or if you want to secure by worker also you can do, available to all requisitions also we can do. But usually the content zone, it will be secured to specific BU, for which BU this catalog wanted to show. So according to that, you can select the security. So these are the two steps are required to create your catalog. After that, so in order to test this, so we have to make one agreement. Agreement for agreements can be make either item level or category level. Okay. So now go to purchase agreements. Go to create agreement. So for agreements or purchase orders, we require the supplier. Supplier already defined. So procurement BU is my BU. So I don't have any other things. So here style. So blanket, consign, sorry, blanket, and one more we have uh, CPA, contract purchase agreement. Okay. So I'm creating the blanket here. So supplier contact, just some name. So click on create. So now I'm creating this particular what you called agreement for catalog base. Starting date and agreement amount something 10,000. So if you want any kind of scenario requirement for minimum release, then you can give, or otherwise not required. Then click on plus. So all these things will dump from supplier or configure procurement BU. So if you have a what do you call uh, configuration in the supplier page, so all these things will come from there. So it is supplier is the highest priority, then configure procurement BU information. Okay. So what I have selected here, HP, right? I forgot, guys. One moment. I think so. Go back to catalog again. Manage catalogs. Here, this is mine, right? Electronic catalog HW underscore PC. Okay. HW underscore PC. HW underscore PC. Okay. Now I'm creating my what do you call this one, like agreement with the catalog. So PC value some 4,500 and allow, see if you see here, allow price override. This is required. So when you want to edit again the price, see the price will come from the agreement later. If you want to override that, this check particular checkbox significance having significance. So let me put it down, not a problem. Or okay, not a shoot. Save and description just because this is the category based agreement, right? Save and submit. So approval, I made it as automatic. So after few seconds, system will make my agreement as approved. Manage agreements. Click on search. So still it is showing in the pending approval. It is in open. Now, what is the next step? Next step is how to create the requisitions through local catalog. So now where I'm going to the SSP page. Guys, this is the SSP page. So this will have public list, local catalogs, what do you call smart forms. All those things will be embedded in this SSP page. So sometimes in the interview they will ask, what is SSP? Self-service procurement. Touchless, touchless requisition. Touchless. What do you mean by touchless? So touchless PR requisitions. So if we go with this, this is the manual entries. Means we have to provide item, we have to provide catalog, all those things. But when you are creating the requisitions through local catalog or smart forms, then that is the automatically system will pull. So we don't need to give any kind of data. Okay. So now we created, right? So let me go there and it will take some time. Or if you know that, agreement, what is that agreement? Agreement. 1 second. Purchase agreements. Manage agreements. Click on search. This is the one. Correct. For first time, if you're not unable to see, just go to here. Click on search. The search bar with the agreement number. So one search. See. So this has been created. It will come, but because if in order to see that, you just close out and sign out and sign in back, it will come, not a problem. Okay, so starting since we created now, right, it will take some time to bring back the data into the SSP page, and we can see directly in the shop by category also it will reflect. So currently it is showing only food equipment, so it will show that HW as well. Okay, so now click on this. See, I'm not giving anything here, just I'm just passing whatever quantity required. So everything system will pull from the catalog. That is the beauty of catalog. So touchless, this one we can call it as a touchless PR creation. So just add to cart, review, and I have not defined the charge account. So manually I will select the charge account, click on OK, and then see here, this will allow to change. Suppose for example, he said, no, not 4,500. For this equation, I can give the price as 5,600 or less than that. You can modify that. Just click on save and then submit the equation. The price exceeds the agreement price limit. Okay. So it is not more than, less than it will allow. Oh, super. Save, submit. Fine. So that's all, guys. So this is a way to create your PR from catalogs. So next session we'll see, after creation of this requisition, how the PO will process. So because PO side I not set up, I mean I need to check it out, so I cannot continue within the session. So we'll see next class. Local catalog we are creating PR, and also we are going to check whether the PO has been created automatically or not. Okay, so now let's see here. I can find DEC, right? So let me, still it is not captured that. See here, we can see the recently viewed, Let me sign out and sign in back. Just wanted to check the shop by category, whether my category will show or not. Procurement, purchase equations, shop by category. No. Okay, I'll check it out. I'm not sure, but usually it has to show here. Okay, I'll check it out. These things, guys. And now this is the way to create your local catalog for category based equations. If it is item based, then agreement has to be created for that item. So moment once you create that, according to your category, whatever category you selected, so automatically system will show this is the one which I have created for item base. So once you open that, system will show what is the item, agreement, supplier, everything. Just click on add and then proceed same way how you created for uh, catalog based purchase equations. Okay, so with this I'll wind up the session and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Take care.